96-41, Cat in the Hat as we start the final quarter, folks. If you guys know that I may create this basketball team that we love go up against each other, if you guys vote whether it's Cat in the Hat or the Grinch, let me know. And of course, Cat in the Hat's winning, so I'm doing really good. And here we go. Let's get this basketball going. Derrick Rose with the three. Gives Cat in the Hat team a 99. And Grinch has 41.
Humphries kicks to Rivers. Down to 5 on the shot clock. Here's Pachulia, and they pick up 2. One item that stood out, their ball movement.
Things are definitely clicking, and more importantly, it makes it really hard to defend.
On the basket by Rose.
There's 6 points on consecutive 3 balls. They're finding holes now in the D.
Johnson, no good that time. And Orlando the other way. Lets it go from the wing. And Orlando again with the bucket.
Orlando with the bucket.
No matter what the defense has done, they haven't been able to find an answer to stop him. And he's had an answer for every defense he's seen.
The dish to Rivers. And Humphries has it in the corner. Gibson with the steal. Pulls up. And it's Wade. That time on the assist by
106-43. Cat in the Hat leading the way over the Grinch. Yep. Mano y mano.
And the steals we've seen are a result
Yeah.
of that aggressiveness.
Twister Workout's profile. Well, William plays for Utah Jazz. In my career mode, I'm playing for the Magic.
This could get even more out of hand.
Rose passes to Wade. Wade for 2. He gets it to go as Dwayne Wade on fire for Orlando.
Johnson dishes to Humphries. It's stolen by Wade. Out of bounds.
Out of bounds.
So a new group on the floor for Orlando.
Here comes the new group for Orlando. Here comes Nelson, Patterson, Snell, Jones, and Looney. There's Looney playing center. Kevon Looney takes a shot. Zaza Pachulia takes the foul. Kevon Looney, 1 shot.
You know, sometimes you're the bug.
Shot's good by Looney.
Sometimes you're the windshield. They are certainly the bugs tonight. Nothing going their way.
Here's they passed it to the Grinch, one of the Grinch players.
4 on the clock. The 3 from Johnson in Utah. Another 3.
Boy,
Three's good for Utah.
No one near him. That's a warm-up jumper for him.
Nelson passed to Looney. Looney for 3.
Again, it's Orlando with the 3.
Looney on fire for the Utah. I'm sorry, Orlando. Kevon Looney plays for Orlando. Cat in the Hat in the fantasy draft.
They have been really controlling this one.
You never want to be complacent.
He'll pass it to Jones. Jones for 2.
And that one, good. And so it's Utah here with the ball. Humphries
About 2 minutes left.
picked by Pachulia. That's tipped.
We going. Oh.
Goes up and lays it nice and easy. 1:44 left in the 4th quarter. Here's Looney. The basket goes
Looney.
for Nelson. Utah comes
Good shot by Kevon Looney.
And there it is for him. Orlando with the ball.
Jameer Nelson dribbling the ball. He passed this Tony Snell.
That's a 2 from Snell, and it's Orlando with another.
120.
We've got 123 left in the fourth. Rivers kicks to McLemore. Back to Rivers. And now Orlando on the break. And Nelson gets it to go.
It's been about
Jameer Nelson
and pace.
with a layup.
And it's led to a huge advantage in fast break points.
Greg, it's really the main reason they're in front. All that early offense. I mean, when they've had the chance to push it, they've pushed it.
And here they come. There's Snell. Now they
Tony Snell.
Terrific run to seal the deal.
Yeah, and now let's
124 to
see how much
54.
longer
Cat in the Hat in the lead.
accelerate.
Rivers passes to Pachulia. 5 on the clock. All by himself.
Kevon Looney with the dunk.
Breakaway slam.
And that's the
126 to 54.
And how about the elevation, Kevin, on the finish?
And Greg, nothing spurs some quick offense like a great play defensively.
That indicates the importance of great on the ball.
Soft touch on the rim.
And an open path to the hoop there. Easy bucket.
Jameer Nelson.
Far too many times today.
Yeah, it's just been far too soft. Not much fight being shown by the defense there. And
130.
It's hard to watch, quite honestly. He had his choice of
130 to 54. Orlando Cat in the Hat has already won this game as they defeat the Utah Grinch.
And so it's Orlando taking this one by a big margin.
Oh, yes. Dwayne Wade with 44 points as Orlando Cat in the Hat defeats the Grinch 130 to 54. My mistake. That's a great game, folks. Yep, 130 to 54, and that's about to be it. So, good night, and I'll see y'all later.